Hey guys, Tim here. Just thought I would share this cool new feature that Chrome browsers came up with called split screen. I just discovered it a couple days ago. It's pretty cool. So basically, you can take two browsers and merge them together in one view. So I'll show you how this is done. So typically, you might have your to-dos on one side and you might be working on something on the left-hand side so you don't context shift or lose focus on what you're doing. So let's grab an AI window and a Google Doc. I'm going to move these two things together. So I'm going to go on the tab on the top. Remember, this is Chrome browser. So tab, add tab to new split view. And then I'm going to select the window. So we're going to grab Perplexity. So now we have them and we can move it like this. You could be working on a document, for example, on the left, and you could be doing a conversation with AI on the right, and you can do some kind of copy paste stuff. This has been helpful for me for just kind of research with AI on one side and then documents and planning and stuff on the other side, or having my tasks in front of me at all times. So hope this helps. This is for Chrome. You'll go to the top tab and you'll go right click, and it's the split view. And then if you want to cancel it, you can just hit the X on the bottom here. Hope that helps. Talk to you guys soon.